everyone, this project I make for request of the person. I don't remember your name, so forgive me. So request me to do this, and I'm very sorry she have to remind me again. So the card, plain card holder, I think that's a good idea, and thank you for that. I'm gonna make a lot, and I'm gonna bring into the senior center, and I'm going to give it to the senior. And you need the 2 CD. You can use the used one, okay? I just cannot find the used one. And then for the lining, I use baby blanket. Okay, the old baby blanket. So I just last time I cut out to make something and I didn't do it, so I still have it here. Then I have 2. And then the option is you can use one same fabric or you can use 2. For this project, I'm gonna make 2, the 2 side, one side with the center and the other one with the cap. Okay, but the optional, you can do whatever you want to do. And then you need 2 buttons. 2 buttons, the one in the blue, or I have the penguin here. So let's see whatever. Okay. And the paper, I fold it in half. And then I fold it again. This is for the template, okay? And then this one have the holes right here. The corner of this touching the little circle in here, like that, okay? And then you go into trace this line. And from here, you're gonna go out 1 inch. After I cut out a circle, I have placed these 2 together, and I'm going to trace around, and I cut this 2, and also the 2 fabric that you're gonna cut exact the same size of the lining, okay? So everyone, after I have cut 2 for the old baby blanket, and then 2 for the back side and the front side, and let's just put it together, okay? Go into the back side of the fabric, and this is the blanket. The right side facing out, the wrong side facing together. Do both of them, okay? I'm showing you one, and then you go on to do the other one, and then we're going to do that together, okay? So placing it together. Now for those of you, if you want to do one, I'm put one away. For some of you, if you want to do with the sewing machine, you're going to set the stitches longer, okay? If you do 2.5, for the stitches, you may have to set up 4, okay? And then after that, you're gonna pull. But I'm gonna do by hand. I do hand sew, okay? So I just want to make sure I clip it right in the middle. I pin it in the middle like that, and then from here, I'm going to start like 1/8 of an inch. You don't go too far, okay? And then I leave the tail like that, and go around with maiden stitch. And you're going to do 1/8 of an inch, sew it all the baby blanket and the fabric together. So hold like this so you can see, you going around. Okay, so I'm gonna go and meet with the other line here when we started. Right here, so I have to take this out. And here I'm gonna put the CD back in here. And make sure that I get everything good. Okay, so I'm gonna go and pull both of them together. Okay, the one that I leave with the tail and this one. So just pull. You see? So leave the tail, that will help you a lot. Okay, but don't go crazy because you're gonna break it. Get the stronger. Okay, now you have this one side here. So nice, okay, and make sure that I'm gonna tie this. Hold my finger down there so it stay down nicely. And tie this, okay? Do that again. Now do the other one exactly like this. And then we'll go from there. Super easy. Okay, and then the thread here at the end, I'm gonna go and make sure that I just want to make sure this tie down with this, okay? So cute and very easy. Alright, so do the other one and then come back. We're gonna finish up, okay? So everyone, I have done two. That the Santa and then the cat, okay? So let me just put in together. Very easy, everyone. I'm gonna go from here first, okay? I'm gonna go take one out first. Go from the inside here. And I'm going to go down. And go up and down a few times. And then I go up. And I get the button. You need two, okay? So like this. And then you go into places. This second holes go right down to there. Right there. And then it go right in the center. Just like you just do earlier. Up and down. Right here. Like so. Okay. And then you're going to go up again. You don't want to pull too much, okay? Just take it easy. When you have your needle underneath here, just go up this way. And now at this time, you're gonna put two together. Make sure it's even. And then from here, one hole, you're gonna go to the other side of the cat. Okay, so when you go into this side, you're going to add the other button on. Go into the second holes. And from here, you're gonna go to the other side of the button. Pull a little bit, don't pull it too much yet, okay? Until you have the second time that you're going up. Because the thread is strong enough for you to pull, but you don't pull too crazy. Okay, like this. And then you're going to pull a little bit more. Stronger pull, and then go down here. At this time now, you can pull a little bit harder. But not too hard. You don't want to bend it, okay? Like this, okay? Just like this. And so on and on, you go up and down. And now this is easy because everything is staying down now. And you know exactly where the holes is going up and holes is going down. So all you need to do is just get your needle, go down, up and down. Make sure it's strong enough, okay? So you do about 5 times, I would say. Okay, every time you do that, you're gonna try to pull it down a little bit. You don't want it too loose, okay? Going up to this side. You see how beautiful it is now? Okay, when you go into this side, you're gonna slide a needle over with the whole bunch of thread, and then you go and do this. Okay. Go do this. Do that a few times. This thread, the little thing, it keep bothering me. Okay, like this, everyone. Continue to do until it's strong enough. This is so cute. Okay, and one more, and then I'll go into the other side, and I'll basically, that's how I do, and go into this side, and I do exact the same way. You see how it is? That's so cute, and it's very strong. So I'm gonna do a few times here, just like so. Continue to do. You know, that remind me blanket stitch, but it goes through the thread, okay, not the fabric. All right, so that basically it. And from here, I'm gonna do one more, and that's it, everyone. I'm gonna go to this side. Beautiful, beautiful gift. Okay, and I'm gonna cut very close to that. Everyone, I finished, and that looks so cute. Look at this, nice and secure. And on this side, same thing. Very easy to make. You can use the old CD. You don't need to use the new one. Oh, I just came up from downstairs. Don't ask me how to play this card, because I don't know how to. Okay, so just put it like this all together, or whatever, however card you have. Put them all together, and you hold it like this in your hand, so nothing gonna fall down. And the thing is super easy to make too. Like that. You can add many if you want to. This is so easy to make, everyone. You can make many if you want. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or however. It's good for the holiday when you play card with your family, your kid especially. For fun, okay? And if you don't want to use this side, you can use the other side. It's gonna be exact the same. Okay, so put the card down, and then going around the same way. Instead of holding the card, you hold this one, so nothing gonna fall down, because your hand is not that big to hold all the card. Okay, so put this all around. Like so. It can hold many if you want to. I don't know how to play this card ever. Never know how to. And don't want to know. Because we live near the casino. Don't get me going, because if I know, you can never find me. Well, you can find me, but you know where to find me. Okay, so how cute this is, and it's easy to make, and I hope you like it, and thank you for trusting me and asking me to do this. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also thank you for request me to do things. Not all the requests I do, okay? And also I check on my channel, and it's saying that 65% the people watching my video, it haven't subscribed to my channel. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, like the video, turn the bell notification on, so every time I upload a video, you get notified. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with other people and make this to play for the holiday. Love you. Stay safe.